Good morning, first grade. We're going to start off today with the group Unstoppable. Group, keep turning your math books to page 263. Page 263. Now for today, we're basically going to work with times and also completing a number chart. So for the first one, number one asks us to set the minute hand. Notice they gave us two clocks and two different times. The first clock says 4:30. Notice the hour hand is on 4, and we're trying to figure out what number makes it 30. Remember, start at 1 for the minute hand, count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's the 6. So you draw the minute hand down to 6. That will show 4:30. Let's work with the next one. This one says 10:05. Notice the hour hand is at 10. Now I need 5. Remember, when you count at 1, that starts off at 5. So you draw that hand to 5. So this is 4:30. And this is 10:05. So that's how you solve number 1. Now let's look at number 2. As we look at number 2, it wants us to circle the digits in the hundreds place. First, you have to know where the hundreds place is located. So I'll write a number on the board, 146. Notice, the 6 is in the ones place, the 4 is in the tens, we're looking for the hundreds. So we'll circle the 1. So let's go down to this problem, 237. We're looking for the digit in the hundreds place. So this is the ones, tens, hundreds. 2 is in the hundreds place. So you will circle that 2. Good job. Let's try the next one. 501. 501. So how do we solve this problem? Look for the hundreds place. Is it the 1? No, we're not circling that one. The 5. Good job. We are circling the 5. So that's how you solve number 2. You're looking for the digit in the hundreds place. Not the ones, but the hundreds. Let's look at number 3. Problem 3 says count backwards from 50. We are counting backwards by 1. So we have 50, 49, 48. What's next? 47. Good job. 47 is next. What's next? Keep going. 46, 45, 44. So we have 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43. What's next? We gotta keep on going. What's after 43? 40, 42, 41, 41, 40. We're gonna do one more number. 39. So we're counting backwards. So we have 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39. You just keep going back until you finish that chart. Now let's look at number 4. Number 4, you have a calendar and you are circling Sunday's date. Notice they have the days of the week. They have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days of the week, and you're going to circle the date that is on Sunday. Circle that number. That's how you solve number 4. All right, let's look the page over. Look at page 264. Page 264. So look at number 1. Number 1 asks us, how long are the tulips? You have 2. One is you have to measure by centimeters, and the next is by inches. Now, if you can see, the centimeters, cm stands for centimeters. That's the first one. Notice the line, the numbers are close together. Remember, you start at the end. Then that inches, in means inch. Notice how the numbers are spaced apart. That's how you tell the difference between centimeter and inch. Centimeters, the numbers are real close together, and then inch, the numbers are spaced apart. You have a little bit more space. So for the yellow tulip, you're using centimeters, that side, and for the purple tulip, remember you're using inches. Now let's look at number 2. Number 2, we're working with, again, the greater sign or the less than sign. So we are marking the bubble under the number that has the correct sign. So look at 14 and 41. Is 14 greater than 41, or is it less than? So this number here, compare it to this number. Is it greater than or less than? It is less than. So you'll choose that less than sign. Let's go to the next one. And let's look at the next one. We had 27 and 72. 27, is that greater than 72? Is it greater or less than? 27 is less than 72. So you are using this symbol. So you'll shade that in. That's how you solve number 2. Now let's look at number 3. Let's look at number 3. We have Tanya and Tina each took their lunch to school every day last week. How many lunches did their mother make? Now, our two factors here are Tanya and Tina. Now, how many days a week do you go to school? 5 days a week. So you go to school 5 days a week. 5 days a week. So let's factor that in with Tanya and Tina. I'm sorry. So Tanya took her lunch to school 5 days a week. So that's 5 here. And then you can't forget Tina. Remember, they take their lunch every day. So that's 5. So that carries them both. Now, how many lunches did that mother make? Now, this is an addition problem. How many did she make? So the plus sign there, then equals there. So whatever your answer is, for 5 plus 5, you put that answer here and there. And that will tell you how many lunches did that mother make for Tanya and Tina. Okay? And let's look at the second part of number 3. It says Alex had 2 dimes and 1 quarter. How many cents did he have? So a dime is 10 cents each, and a quarter's worth 25. So I'm gonna show you the first few steps to solve that problem. So 10 plus 10 is 20, and then 25 is only by itself, so you'll put that right in this line. And now, is this an addition problem or subtraction problem? And it says, how many coins did he have? How many? Great, that's an addition problem. So what sign do you need? The minus sign, correct? Plus sign, good job. Plus sign there. So your answer will be, what, 20 plus 25. That will be your answer for that part. And lastly, number 4 wants you to write the answers to the combination that your teacher says. So I'm going to give you a few combinations for each letter, and then you simply have to write the answer. So let's start off with letter A. Letter A, 3 plus 8. Letter A, 3 plus 8. What's the answer to 3 plus 8? You'll put that in letter A. Now I'll give you a few moments for that. Letter B, 11 minus 7. Letter B, 11 minus 7. Letter C, 10 minus 4. Letter C, 10 minus 4. Letter D, 9 minus 3. Letter D, 9 minus 3. Letter E, 5 plus 4. Letter E, 5 plus 4. And finally, letter F, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3.